So what you need to be able to germinate the seeds, to be able to be ready to put into a pot, is need a paper towel. Doesn't matter about the particular quality, but it needs to be absorbent. We need a sealed bag. I do encourage recycling, and this one is actually a recycled bag from Morrison's with the sealed top. If you don't have a plastic bag with a sealed top, you can always use a bag and some sellotape. Finally, you'll need a water sprayer, or you can use creatively, you can sprinkle some water using your fingers, but water sprayer is the easy option. So first of all, you take your seeds and you have them ready to put into the absorbent paper towel, and you place your seeds. It's very simple. You can potentially chip the top of the seed to help the germination process, because the seed has a cover over the top which can sometimes be hard to break through. So once you've got your seeds scattered, what you need to do is fold. Not one of my specialist skills, folding, but there we go. Once we've folded it, very simple, we spray it. Now you don't want to overspray, you just want it damp. So when you feel it damp, that's the time that it's done. Now, overwatering, I have to say that it is one of the reasons why it won't germinate, and can cause the seed to even rot. So that is a crucial part, is actually the spraying, is just to get enough moisture there for it to start germinating, not too much where the seed will actually start rotting. Now, I use a sealed bag, and that basically will help the germination side, but also prevent too much moisture being lost by evaporation. So once we put it in the bag, as such, just put that in there for you. Put it in the bag. Seal it up. That's ready to go into the fridge. Now, I would advise that you label it the day you put it in. You approximately need it to be in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm going to have a look in 10 days time to see if there's anything that's happened. Check the moisture, and I will be back with you guys to see what happens.